coming. Where were you when I was calling you? I feel busy.
What's wrong with you? Wait.
I feel busy.
Wait.
See?
Oh my God. What's going on, Lee?
I feel busy. Come on. Let me sit down like that there.
Are you okay? You don't want me to go somewhere, Lee?
Ah!
Are you okay? Are you okay, friend? You okay, Lee? You okay, friend? Come on, Lee. You want me to go somewhere? Where's my phone? Oh my God. Where's my phone? Where are you?
Ang baho! Stink!
Sorry, son of a gun. What?
Look at this! Stink!
Mama. No! This is not happened to me! No!
No! That's
Why do you think to me, friend?
stink! Hindi na makapagkasalan!
But it stinks, you
Mali naman! Ang baho! Stink!
My mouth stinks.
Yeah. Your mouth!
Holy. Too much fish? I was trying to help
Like
you,
a
friend.
fool.
I tried to help you, friend. You tell me my mouth stinks? No.
Guys, pasensya na kayo sa aking vlog. Nakuha ko na naman si Marie. Marie, a little bit.
Hi, views. You know my friend Rose Tape? She said that my mouth stinks. I don't think so, but it's okay. At least I'm trying to save her. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Okay, don't forget those fingers. Love you.